On a Sunday morning, she won't do something, I won't go church. Oh. On a Monday morning, I won't do something, she won't go walk. Oh.